everyone, good morning. This is Meenakshi again. Today I'll be going to our farm in Sonaigaon. I haven't been in the farm for quite some time as I was engaged in some other work. So today it's going to be a long day as a lot of my friends wants to see how exactly I spend my day in the farm. So it's going to be a 360 turn with the kind of life I live in my apartment here in Guwahati versus the kind of life I have and the schedule I have in my farm. So it's going to be very interesting. So I'm just going to drive along with my mom to my farm, and I'll be filming almost everything. So it's going to be very adventurous. It's going to be very interesting. I'm sure you guys will like my video. So thank you so much, and let's start my journey to our farm today. So we are all set to start our journey to our farm in Sonaigaon, and the seat belts are on. We are not wearing the mask because we both are vaccinated. So it's going to be a beautiful day, and we both will be driving to our farm together, listening to music. Whenever I visit my farm, I make it a point to carry some mutton bones for my pets out there. They really love that. So right now I have reached this Assam Livestock and Poultry Corporation. They sell very fresh meat out here. It's not only about mutton bones, but they also sell chicken varieties, all kinds of chicken variety meat like drumstick and liver. So we also take a lot of livers for our pets out there. But since it's already there in the farm, we have the stock. Today I'll be buying only the mutton bones for them. So I've already reached. So once I'm there, I'll show you how we get there. This place is very close to my apartment. It's hardly 5 minutes. So I never miss this opportunity to take the mutton bones for my pets out there. We are just reaching in another 2 minutes. So this is the place very close to my apartment where I buy all kinds of meat for my pets, for Snowball who stays with me, and also for all the doggies which I have in our farm. So I'm a regular client out here. So today I'll be purchasing mutton bones for them. So this is the place from where we get the mutton and chicken for our pets. This is called the Assam Livestock and Poultry Corporation. This is the slaughterhouse. So I just bought the mutton bone for my pets. They just love to have that. And our farm is around 25 kilometers from here. So I'll be taking more videos on the way. From this point onwards, as you can see the bridge, there's a bridge out here. From this point onwards, we will be entering Meghalaya. Shillong is very famous all over the country. It's a hill station basically. Oh, I was just missing the road. So the Assam ends here and we are entering Meghalaya. Basically it's a hill station with lots of curvy roads ahead. So Our farm, the place where our farm is, it's very close to Barnihad. There's a place called Barnihad. There's also a small market out there. So I usually buy all kinds of local vegetables and fruits from there. So today also I'll be visiting that market. I'll be purchasing some bananas and local grown vegetables, which are really fresh, organic ones. So whenever I come to farm, I make it a point to visit that Barnihad market. It's not that very far from the place of our farm. So this is the hill station road. All the hill station for me more or less looks alike. So I'm driving towards that Barnihad market. So once I reach there, I'll continue with the video again. So till then, just enjoy the ride with us. It's very mountainous, greenery everywhere, as you can see. My mom is holding the camera, so it's a little shaky. So excuse me for that as I'm driving. And today it's a very beautiful weather actually. There's a lot of sun. So I'm sure the video will look good after all the editing's done. As you can see, that mountain out there, it's very pretty. There's very less pollution out here as compared to Guwahati city, where we have our apartment where we usually live. And there's a Royal Global University out here. Petrol is a bit cheaper out here in Meghalaya. So usually when I come to my farm, I also refill my petrol tank. I save some money that way. So today also I'll be filling petrol out here. So I'll be saving some money that way. I really love this drive with all these curves. Actually, we usually have lot of other guests also who likes to come to visit our farm. So whoever is watching my video, if you guys want to spend a beautiful day in a very natural environment, you can also contact me so that we can invite you to our farm. We do not have any such engagement kind of activities out there, but you can laze around, walk the mountains, do a little bit of trekking, and have some local food. So we have a cook out there, his name is Babul, so he'll be cooking some local dish today. So I'll be filming that also. So I'll be reaching 14 mile, it's called 14 mile, from where I have to take a left turn towards our farm. We're just reaching there in few minutes. So this is 14 mile. From here we have to take left towards our farm and to the Barnihad market, where I'll be doing some local vegetable shopping. For that we have to go straight. It's very nearby. And just opposite to this 14 mile market is this, as you can see, petrol pump where I usually fill my petrol. So I'll be doing that right now. So first of all, I'll be refilling my tank because petrol is cheaper out here. Not much cheaper, but at least I'll be saving some money. This is my usual schedule actually. Whenever I come to my farm, this is what I usually do. Buy those mutton bones and then refill my car, then go to that Barnihad market to buy some locally grown fruits and vegetables. Bananas are very good out there, So I love those bananas. I'll be purchasing them and then go to our farm. भैया 1500 का दीजिए, 1500. हाँ खोलिए 1500 का दीजिए. So we have reached this Bandihan market, as you can see behind us. Mostly all the vegetables are locally grown, very fresh, and banana is a must out here. If you go inside, they will be very delicious. So I am purchasing banana and some locally grown vegetables until I come back next month. These vegetables are really good. So let's go shopping. Hello there again. I have reached our farm. Actually, earlier it was a goatry farm, this place, but since the number of the goats have increased and this place has become short of space, so we have moved all the goats to our inner farm. We have a bigger farm inside, and right now this place has become like kind of a parking place for our vehicles, and our manager stays here. And we also have some chickens out here. So that's all we have in this farm right now. And this is a beautiful flowers blooming, so I would like to show you. As you can see behind me, the beautiful flowers. That's my mom again. So whenever I come to farm, I make it a point to, you know, spend at least 5 to 10 minutes out here just to check out if everything is okay. As you can see, we have some lovely papayas growing here. Actually, I already made a very short video earlier, but which I have not uploaded in my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you some papaya plants. These are totally organic, and we have been eating these papayas for quite a long time right now. So I'm sure you guys will like to see how these papayas are growing in this farm. So these are the papaya plants we have here. They're not too many, but the plants are not too many, but the fruits are really good. These are the papayas. As you can see, it really looks so wholesome. There again. They really look nice. So I'll be carrying few papayas today back home. Actually, papayas are also very good for health. If any person is suffering from gut problem, if they have regular papayas, boiled papayas, it is believed to cure that. Lot many papayas. Wow, that's it. So in this farm currently we are just having papayas, and in the other farm where we will be going right now, that's around 1 kilometers again from the main road. But since it's monsoon, the road is not very good, so we will be taking an auto rickshaw from here. I'll be parking my car here inside this farm, and we have a guy called Mukul. He'll be driving us towards the farm in his auto rickshaw. So that again is quite fun. I enjoy that ride even. So that's it. This is a papaya. So the adventure is about to begin. I have parked my car there in front of this shop. This is the only grocery shop near the farm where all the groceries are purchased, and this is the common auto rickshaw which the village have. And now we will be traveling in this auto rickshaw to the farm, because right now since it's monsoon and the road is not very good, so The road itself is an adventure, so let's continue with our journey. Yeah, the adventure has begun. We are in this auto rickshaw. It's moving. We are shaking a lot. Let me turn the camera to the other side so you can see the view. Unable to find it. This is the road towards our farm. It's full of nature. The road is not a concrete road. This road is not concrete, so during the monsoon it's not that very good. I mean, there are some patches which is muddy and otherwise it is dry. So sometimes I can take the vehicle when it's not raining too much. But since it has been raining continuously for the last few days, the road has become muddy. So if I get the car, I'll get stuck up. So we are coming in this auto rickshaw. But anyways, I like this ride also in the auto rickshaw. It's very, very adventurous. And I can see the view outside. When I drive, I cannot see the view. Beautiful mountains, trees, lots of greeneries. And from the main road, our farm is just 1 kilometer. Sometimes I even walk down, but since my mom is here today, so she won't be able to walk. So our auto rickshaw ride is over. From here onwards, we have to walk. That's my mom and Mukul. He's helping me with my bags. And from here onwards, just a little bit, 5 minutes walk to our farm. Actually, this is the first time I'm filming the entire day, how I prepare to come to the farm step by step. So this is my regular schedule and I'm really enjoying it. It's very interesting. I hope you guys are liking my video up till now. And I'll show you something. That's Kalu. That's Mukul's dog, as you can see. That is Mukul's pet. His name is Kalu. Kalu. He fled. My mom is tracking. She's taking a stick. Goi thaga lahe lahe. It's just a 5 minutes walk from here to our farm. During winter, there's not much issue. Or when it is not raining, it's not an issue. The vehicle comes up till the farm. But right now, it has been raining continuously. So the road has become muddy. So we cannot bring the car. So we are tracking now towards our farm. Yeah! We have reached the farm. So my babies have already come to know that I'm here. They are super excited. I can already hear them barking. And this is the goat farm. The goats are all kept free now. They go to the jungle to have their own food and come back in the evening. So I cannot see much goat around. So everybody goes up there towards the hills. They have their own food and come back in the evening. And there, Toffee. That's Toffee. Toffee. Toffee, that's Toffee. Toffee. That's Toffee. And that's Ranger. Babul. Everybody's so excited. They're screaming. greeting me basically. And that's Ranger. Ranger is a purebred Belgian Malinois. He has his own private house. That's Ranger's house. He has his own house stays here alone because he cannot mix up with the other guys, which I mean the caretaker and everybody. Ranger, hi beta. Ranger, that's Ranger. Mana phone kar dim. That's Turada. He's also a caretaker. And that's Ladu, Coco, Candy. There they are. Ladu, Coco. I'll free them now. Because this is the time they are supposed to rest. That's why they are outside. That's Candy.
Wah, sushi mumi.
Ladu.
Ladu.
Candy, Candy.
Masa kita buat? Mereka utai. Coco. 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 Lado. Ladu. Candy. 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 Oh, एक सा पानी खा जाना कोको 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 Candy Candy अरे हैं হৈছে না কেনেকৈ চাম স্ক্ৰীণখন ওলাই আছে হৈ আছে কেণ্ডি কেণ্ডি নো ফটকে চকীটো দিয়া ফটকে চকীখন বহি লওঁ
Ladu, আহিলো Candy, তোমাকো লম ৰবা
এজন চাক Tapi
Ladu. Ladu, biskut kuning khabo. Biskut kuning khabo Ladu. Koko biskut kuning khabo. Candy lo. Ladu. Ladu bukut. Ya? Biskut luar Ladu. Ladu biskut. Biskut. Candy. Ayo kokok naik dia no.
teman ini apa lah?
Candy. Sang, খুৱাই দিব লাগে খা খা লাজু লাজু এই নিজেও নাখায় ককো নিদিয়ে খাবলৈ কিন্দি 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 কিন্দি
এতিয়া কি কৰিলে খাব যে
নাখায় এতিয়া খং উঠিলে আৰু এনেকৈ পিছ খাই দিয়ে মনে মনে দিব লাগে কিন্দি কিন্দি কোকো 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 কিন্দি 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 কোকো কোকো কিন্দি কোকো Yeah. बस और नहीं दो कोकम दे हवल और कोकम नहीं दो और कोकम नहीं दो लाडू लाडू लाडू
বাতি যে নুলিয়ালি আৰু ভাত খোৱা দিবি
लाडू 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 क्या खाबो लाडू लाला लाला लाडू लाला लाला Well, this is Babulda. He is our cook out here, and this is the mutton bone which I purchased in the morning. This is approximately 1.5 kilo, and we will just pressure cook this mutton bones here. I mean, these guys, they really love to chew this mutton bones. We have 6 pets out here, and whenever I come, I make it a point to bring this mutton bones. Otherwise also we keep it as a stock in our fridge out here. We usually purchase from that place only, which I got it in the morning. So Babulda is they are very neatly cleaned and made into good pieces. So there it goes. So I will be pressure cooking these mutton bones for almost 10 to 20 minutes maximum, so that they can chew it properly. And the broth is also very good for the health, so I'll be giving them both. It's very it will make their bones even more healthier. Babula pani dise na babul? Pani dise na? Aru okkoman dibo lagibo sake. So this is Assamese language which I am talking. I am saying that the water content is less. Maybe we have to add a little bit more water. So there it goes. So once this is cooked, I'll be serving this, guys. This is Candy No. Hey Candy No. We cannot free all of them together because they are very, very naughty. They know almost all the areas out here because they grew up here. And usually if we lose all of them together, they won't come back home till evening. They will be moving around the whole mountains and villages. So since they have become naughty, we have to keep them tied up like this. We do free them one by one, but together we cannot do, because they really get wild after that, and they won't come home no matter how much I call them. They will get lost in the, I mean not lost actually, they will be wandering in the mountains. They enjoy that, and since it's monsoon, there is a fear of snakes. There are a lot of snakes out here, and I believe there is no medicine for snakes, for snake bites for the doggies. So we are not taking the risk as of now. So we do free them one by one. And this is Candino. This is a Welsh Corgi. Candino. Candino. That's Candino. We have taken out the leash now. He loves to stay under the bed. Candino. Candino Kiol. This is his favorite place. Candy. Candino. Candino. Candino, he's wagging his tail. Okay, the Corgi's name is Candy Noom, and this is Candy Singh. We have so many candies. Actually, Candy was my husband's first dog, and after that he had many candies because he used to miss. There's a story about this Candy name actually. The first dog of my husband is Candy, and after that dog expired, he had another dog, and he was also Candy, and then another dog, he was also Candy. So that way he had, I don't know, maybe 10 or 12 doggies who everybody's name was Candy. So now after the lockdown, when we started this farm, we have 3 dogs who are Candies. One at my husband's native place, he's Dalmatian, and that is in Dibrugarh. And then we have this Candy Singh. Why Singh? Because she grew up with a manager actually in the goat farm which is downstairs, near the road. So our manager, he is a Manipuri guy, and his surname is Singh. So he treats this Candy as his daughter. So that's why we call her Candy Singh. Candy Singh, Candy Singh. And then this Welsh Corgi. He's a male dog. He is again another Candy. That's so funny. It's actually funny. People really get confused. Why do you have so many candies? Candy. Okay, why we have this chair is another story. Because this Candy Singh loves to sit on a chair. She needs his chair to sit down. That's why this chair is specially for her. Well, this is Turada. He's like a family member to us.
Satni banam itu.
So he'll be making
Itu here.
chutney.
Hidilta boli koi.
Huh?
Hidilta.
Hidil lota. Okay. Kitu keneke banabo?
Itu patat fisike banam.
Acha.
Uda kurike.
Aru ki dibo yate?
Yate ruhun dim.
Aru?
Jala dim, ada dim. Eneke banam.
Acha, PC pine na patat? Okay.
Fisike banam.
Okay, so now what Turada has said that this is this leaves name is Bhedel Lota. So he will be. I'll show you the leaves. This is a medicinal plant actually. It is available in our farm, and he'll be adding ginger, garlic, and chilies. Nemu dibo niki?
Nemu dibo lagbo.
So a little bit of lemon, salt. That's all, and this is a local delicacy, I can say. So we will be eating this today. And what else will be cooked, I'll show you one by one.
চাগে পায় সিহঁতক খুলিছে যে সেইকাৰণে
That's Coco. Oh, I'm about to fall down. He is the most emotional guy. Hey, Coco. He's the most emotional guy. Uh, Size-wise, he is the biggest one. But he is a child at heart. Hey, Coco. He's still a baby at heart. He's the youngest actually of all my pets. But size-wise, he's the biggest one. Hey, Coco. Coco, Coco. Hey, Coco. Hey, Coco. 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 I think this is one of my best moments which I spend here with my pets. Actually, they are my babies, you can say. These are my happiest moments actually. Hey, Coco. Here. Here. So first of all, I'm giving it to Coco. Coco. That is his mutton bone bowl. Kindi, kindi, kindi. Kindi, kindi. This is for Candy Singh. Candy Singh, Candy Singh. And this is for Candy Nu. This one. Candy Nu. Candy Nu. Candy Nu has to be given separately. Candy Nu. Arey, jaldi. I'll have to pull him because he's thinking that maybe I have not given. Candy Nu, jaldi, jaldi. Maybe he wants to eat it here only. That's it. And this is for Toffee. Toffee. This is for Toffee. And I'll get it for Laddu. Laddu, lo yahan bitorle. Bitorle lo yahan. Okay. Candy has come here. Coco come here. This is for Ranger. I'll be giving it in Ranger's plate. The bones are warm.
মলৈ যাওঁ জংলী এইটো এই তাক দেখুৱাই দেগে এবাৰ দেখুৱাই দে
Actually, Ranger is very, very ferocious. That's why he has an individual house. And serving food to him is a different technique altogether. His plate is tied to a rope and we have pushed that inside. And that's Ranger baby having. That's Ranger. 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 It's Ranger. 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 Actually, the bone was warm actually, so probably he burnt his tongue probably. Ranger. He's angry. Hey Ranger. Ranger Maina. So he'll take his sweet little time and have his food. That's my mom. In a typically village mode. She's having a good time out here, away from the apartment, Guwahati apartment. Leisurely sitting with the pets. That's Toffee again. Totally relishing and her piece of meat. Toffee. She's literally lying down on the ground and having the meat. Just look at her face. She looks so damn happy. That's Coco again, busy. That's Candino busy again. Everybody is busy. Candino. That's Candino busy with her bone. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Mama got her bones. There. And that's Coco. He literally pulled out the bones from the bowls. Coco. Who got you this? Mama got you. And that's Candy Singh again. Busy. Candy Singh. Candy Singh. And that's Laddu. Where is Laddu? Laddu. Laddu. Ah, he's also busy. He's also busy. Laddu is also busy. Well, another dish is on the way of preparation. Etu ki banai sa?
Kosu sarni bonam.
Kosu aru?
Kosu padua pat.
Ki pad?
Padua pat.
Padua pat. Kosu aru?
Kosu. Tasod manimuni.
Manimuni.
Hedilota pat.
Hedilota pat.
Ako musondoi.
Musondoi. Oh my god, bahut bosti. Poduna.
Ada.
Ada.
Rasun. Jala.
Jolokia. Okay, there are almost 7-8 medicinal plants leaves are here. This is also another chutney. So one is called Bhidailata. One is called Manimuni Pat. These are all local names. I don't know the English version of it. Then one is Pudina. I know everybody knows about Pudina. And one is Kosu. This is Kosu, I think. Ito Kosu, no?
Kosu.
This is Kosu. Then there is ginger garlic, chilies. And one is this Padua Par, I don't know. The name is very funny. I haven't had that. Padua Par ba dekhai diason uli apne bati pra. Kuntu hoy? Okay, this is Padua Pat. So I have never. It mo khaisu ni agote? Khaisu no? Okay, I had this before, but I didn't know the name. So he's including this also. And let me check out. There is mint leaves. This is Pudina. Pudina is mint leaf. Okay, this is again Norohingo Pat. We call it in Assamese. That is curry leaves. This is curry leaf. This is, I think, Padua Pat is saying. Okay. So there are so many different kinds of medicinal plants.
Musondoi.
This is Musondoi. That got a little bit dissolved in water probably. So this is again Musondoi. This is also very good for health. So what Babul will be doing is, okay, this is this Bhuj Jolokia. This is one of the hottest chili in the world. This is called Bhuj Jolokia. This is also we have in our farm, locally grown. And this is a traditional mixer. mixer grinder, I can say, which we call it potta. It's basically made of rock. Wow. So first of all, he is chopping it into small pieces, and then with this stone he will smash it and make it into a thin paste with all these ingredients together, one by one. So once it is done, I'll be showing you the finished product, how it looks like. Okay, that's Turada has arrived. He has got some wild vegetables. This is ki ha koso na?
কুচু এইটো পাহাৰীয়া কুচু
Ah,
আকৌ এইটো হ'ল হেৰে
ah,
এয়া নীল কুচু বুলি কয়
Neel koso. Okay,
বুকুৱাটো
this.
খাব পাৰে
Huh?
বুকুৱাটো খাব পাৰে
Acha.
আকৌ ইয়াৰ পেটা ডাঙৰ ডাঙৰ যি যায় খাচীয়াবিলাক বিক্ৰী কৰে এই কুচুটো এইটো
Acha. This is Neel
আকৌ এইটো
koso.
হ'ল গন কুচু
Okay, there are 2-3
Sapni
varieties
bole
of
khao
kosu here. These are all local vegetables. So Turada has got all this from Koprani Levla.
এইটো পাহাৰৰ পৰা আছে।
Okay, he has picked these vegetables from the mountains. These are the mountains. So he has picked this from there, and ami loi jabole na. Okay, this we will be carrying back home to Guwahati, and first my mom will be cooking, so probably we'll ask him the recipe how to do it. So this looks great actually. ठीक है, how about you? Wow, Tura has got this insect from the forest. This is called Hunali Puka, means golden insect. I mean, I have seen this insect for the first time. It's amazing. This is really amazing. Wow, I haven't seen this before. It doesn't bite. And this is so pretty. I haven't seen anything like this in my life. Like this is totally wild. Wow. It ate him, no? Wow.
দিব লাগিব
Beautiful. Okay, so now Babul. Okay. So Babulda has finished preparing this chutney. So it looks something like this. But although it's not looking very neat at the moment, but it's really yummy. So whenever I'm in farm, I usually get to taste this delicacy with almost 7 or 8 different kinds of medicinal leaves. So this is done, and we will be having it with rice. So once the food is served, I'll show you how it looks once again. So lunch is ready. Garam. Iman gal bhat dile. He's given me a lot of rice. Bhat to kamai diyo ka. This is rice. This is the chutney, and this is kumura to ki koisa no? Kind of gourd, which is grown in our farm. Okay, this is the vegetable which I'm having with rice right now. This one, it no? Okay, it looks something like this. So this is dal along with this chutney. So this is a lunch for today. So we are done with our lunch, and now Laddu and Candinu is with us. They are playing, as you can see. Candinu. Laddu and Candinu is with us. Actually, Laddu and Coco, they are a bit jealous of each other, so we cannot take them together. We have to take them one by one. First, we are taking Laddu and Candy, and Coco has to be loved separately because Laddu is very jealous of Coco. So during the afternoon time, this is what I do in our farm. Just lie on the bed and spend time with these beautiful kids.
Candy no.
Candy.
Candy. Candy. Lado, lado, lado.
That's Laddu.
Lado, lado. Lado. Candy no, candy no. Lado. Lado.
Laddu. I had a short afternoon nap, and after the nap, we served them lunch. Laddu, this is basically chicken liver and rice, boiled chicken liver and rice, and this is Coco. He almost finished his lunch. A little bit left. Coco, there he is. And this is Candy Noo's food. He did not have his lunch. Probably he's too full with that mutton bones and everything. And Candy Noo is still under the bed. This is his. Oh, he's not here. He's gone out. Oh, there he is. Candy. Since this is his favorite spot. There he is. Candy Noo. And this is Candy Singh sitting on her chair. She had her lunch. She's done. Candy. I find it very funny because she needs a chair to sit on. She doesn't like sitting on the floor. Candy. Candy. Candy? Oh, I don't know what she's staring at. Candy! Like it's almost 3 p.m. right now. And it's a very, very sunny day. Probably in another 1 hour, we will be leaving this place. Ranger too had his lunch. He's inside his house. Ranger! Ranger! I think he's sleeping. खाला नहीं की टॉफी भात? Babul has served Toffee's lunch outside here. So Toffee also Toffee too had her lunch here outside. That's my mom. Toffee! Toffee, तुम्ही मामाम खाला? Toffee? This is totally a wild place, I can say. Candy. He's peeing. Okay, there it's Ranger. We have a beautiful beetle goat here. Her name is Loki. There she is. Loki! Loki! There she is. Her name is Loki. Loki! She's the first born baby in our farm since we started the goatery. Her name is Loki. Loki means it's a goddess name basically, the goddess of wealth. All the other goats are probably in the mountain. We do not tie them anymore because they are so used to this place. They have their food during the day, they roam around, and by evening they just come back home on their own. That is their home. This is where the other goats live. And this is Lucky. 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 There she is. Lucky. Whenever I'm in the farm, I usually take a round this side. This is towards our pond where we are doing fishery. This is the pond. And we are doing some fish cultivation out here. So maybe the fish will be ready in another 2-3 months. And then we will have lot of fish here. In this mountain we have planted lot of Meghalaya banana. The one which I bought in the morning. So we have planted lot of banana trees here. So probably by next year we will be getting lot of fruits. Look at Candy, what he is doing. Hey Candy. Candy. This is another place where we have 2 goats. One is a male goat and one is female. The name of the male goat is Pulok. He is basically a breeder. Pulok. Pulok. Pulok, that is Pulok. Hey Pulok. And that is Mira. That is Mira. And this is Pulok. 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 Hey Pulok. Pulok. So this is Pulok. He is a beetle cross. And that is Mira. Mira is also a beetle cross. So they are usually kept inside because Pulok usually fights with the other male goats out here. We bring him outside this side, but today he is already in. So guys, this is how my day looks like in a farm. The day is almost over. The sun is about to set. And this is usually what I do when I come to the farm. Spend time with the kids. Look around the greenery everywhere. Have a good sleep. I had a good sleep today. I had an afternoon nap also of around 1 hour. And that's Ranger, as you can see behind me. I really don't like to leave this place because this place is so peaceful. It's very close to my heart. The kids are close to my heart. And I'll be visiting them soon, no doubt. And I'll miss them so much. And that's Candy with me, as you can see. Candy! That's Candy with me. Ranger is jealous. He was okay as long as I was alone sitting here. So when Candy is around, he's angry. So I'll be leaving the farm after some time. And thank you everybody for watching the video. And if anybody would like to come and visit our farm, everybody is welcome here. It's a peaceful place with lots of greenery. And we are also doing lot of fruits and vegetable cultivation. Since the video has already become very long. So I'll be making a separate video for that next time when I'm here, with all the fruit trees which we are growing and all the vegetables which we are growing. Ranger! Ranger! That's Ranger. I don't know whether it's visible. Yeah, there he is. Ranger! So thank you everybody for watching the video once again, and lots of love to you all, and see you soon.